Supercars and affordability don't go well together, but the reality is about to change with the all-new Seat Corvette. The Seat Corvette is a performance machine that is the first of its kind. It's a car that has been priced as a sports car but has performance levels of a supercar. With a mid-engine 6.2-liter V8 that produces 495 horsepower, the Seat Corvette is a serious performance machine. Just look how sharp the lines and the edges are on the Seat Corvette. For the first time in history, the Corvette is mid-engined. The iconic razor-sharp front end has been carried over the Seat Corvette as well. Corvette patches all around the car won't let you forget that you are sitting in a very special kind of car. The streamlined wing in the back will give you an idea about the crazy aerodynamics that are going over the car. Quad exhausts have now been shifted from the center line to the either side of the car to deliver that weird music symphony. Having a removable rooftop system allows you to experience the Seat Corvette in open air as well. Now coming to the beautiful interior of the Seat Corvette. The first thing you will notice is how driver-centric the Seat Corvette is. Everything has been set in a manner such that there are minimum distractions and the driver stays focused all of the time. The digital dials are visually appealing and display more than the ample amount of information. The design approach for the seats is such that the driver stays comfortable while enjoying the car to every bit. Moreover, the Seat Corvette is not just a performance machine, it's a luxurious car as well. The quality of materials used in the Seat Corvette is of top-notch quality. Talking about practicality, the Seat Corvette has got some nice space in the front to hold your luggage, and in the rear as well in case you have some more of it. You could also use the boot space in the rear to hold your roof while you enjoy the open air experience. Talking about open air experience, can you imagine how mesmerizing it would be to listen to that naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine while you are enjoying the beauty of the surroundings? It would be surreal. You might also be thinking that it would be a tedious task to remove the roof back and forth just to enjoy the car in open air. But my friend, the roof isn't exactly heavy. It's made from a composite material which makes it very light to remove. The convertible versions of all supercars are quite heavy, but the Seat convertible is not so much. The Seat Corvette's convertible version weighs just 80 pounds more than the coupe, which is also sort of a convertible. Moreover, the process of getting converted into a convertible isn't a very long process either. From up to down, it only takes about 16 seconds, and it can take place with the vehicle moving at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. The rigidity of the car also hasn't been affected since Chevy designed the C8 as a convertible first. Also, if you are an aerodynamic nut just like me and concerned about the extra drag that the convertible might create, well, you don't have to worry, my friend. The drag coefficient of the convertible is same as that of the coupe. Also, did you know that the 2020 Corvette convertible is not only the first with the folding hardtop, it's also, the first ever convertible Corvette with its engine positioned in the middle of the car. The 1960 mid-engine concept, the 1964 mid-engine concept, the 1990 mid-engine concept, then the mid-engine that finally made it to the reality, the Seat Corvette. It is a dream, 60 years in making. One man's vision, born on tracks the world over, honed in competition, perfected by generations of true believers. His name was Zora, the father of the Corvette. His vision was to build a mid-engine supercar rivaling any car built anywhere, attainable by anyone who loves driving. And now, after years of competitions at checkered flags, endless day and endless nights, mid-engine land-based missile, most powerful, most technologically advanced machine ever to wear the crossed flags is about to race from dream to reality. The Corvette C8R coming soon to a track near you. And in the end, here is a short clip of Chevy paying the tribute to the legend himself, Zora, the man who created the Corvette.
If you are one of those who like and enjoy driving, you owe it to yourself to try this car.
that's the end of the video. Tell me in the comments below if you liked it or not. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such content in the future. All the links will be in the description below. Till then, ciao.